Jordan Johnson wasn't part of the young West Indies squad which toured England early in the year, but made a century in the high-performance camp, which followed that tour to book a spot in the squad. The left-handed batsman from Lucas Cricket Club detailed how he was able to catch the eye of the selectors.
I didn't do much different. I came home though. I came home with a mindset to work harder. I did come home and work harder. I came and I did drills. I came and I batted hours in nets here at Lucas. And I just went over there with a mindset to make the team. And I did it.
Getting into the final 11 won't be enough for the former prep school standout.
My personal goals are to be an upstanding member of this West Indies team and help them win. And more so to enjoy myself and have fun and learn whilst I'm at it.
Johnson's coach, former national opening batsman Delroy Morgan, says better concentration at the crease is what made the difference for the Wolmer's boy student.
He was trying to get on with the game a lot, and depending on the time that he went to the crease, he didn't spend a lot of time. And now he came back from that, and he went there again and he did just that. He made 100, spent some time at the crease, and that was really what really shifted him over into the under-19 setup.
The Wolmerian also has a strong support system to aid his development.
Since he was 5 years old, he told us that he will be playing for the West Indies cricket team. And so to see that become a reality in just a matter of 10 years, it's just a phenomenal feeling. And we're extremely proud of him. His dad and I are extremely proud, and we're hoping that he will represent himself and the West Indies at the, just at the highest level.
Following the South Africa series, the young West Indians will open their account against Australia on January 14 in Providence in Guyana at the World Cup. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.